$1,000 for shipping? Dude, it says gonna be here next Wednesday. It's crazy.
Jump.
It fits really tight, but it looks really good, and it definitely blocked that crack, so you guys won't even see it anymore. So these are special types of screws. You can see it has like the end of it. It's meant so that you can like rip through the lip and the bumper. So basically you don't have to drill, you just have to like put the screw in. So I'm just gonna go find what points I need to put it in. And it should be pretty easy. I'm just gonna use it. I'm not even gonna use a. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver. I'm not even gonna use a drill or anything.
Jump. Jump.